Today, I'm going to show you how to link your PayLah account to your FavePay account. This will allow you to use your PayLah balance to make payments on FavePay. Why would you want to link PayLah to FavePay? There are a few reasons why you might want to link PayLah to FavePay. First, it can be a convenient way to make payments on FavePay. You won't have to worry about entering your credit card or debit card information each time you make a purchase. Second, it can help you save money. FavePay often offers discounts and cashback rewards for users who pay with PayLah. How to link PayLah to FavePay? Linking your PayLah account to your FavePay account is easy. Here are the steps. Open the FavePay app. Tap on the My Wallet tab. Tap on the Add Payment Method button. Select PayLah. Enter your PayLah mobile number. Tap on the Verify button. Enter the verification code that you received via SMS. Tap on the Submit button. Once you have linked your PayLah account to your FavePay account, you can start using it to make payments. Here's how. Open the FavePay app. Browse for the merchant or deal that you want to purchase. Tap on the Checkout button. Select PayLah as your payment method. Enter your PayLah PIN. Tap on the Confirm button. That's it. You're all set to use PayLah to make payments on FavePay. Additional tips. If you have any problems linking your PayLah account to your FavePay account, you can contact FavePay customer support. You can also use PayLah to make payments on FavePay's website. You can link up to 5 PayLah accounts to your FavePay account. Linking your PayLah account to your FavePay account is a great way to make payments on FavePay more convenient and save money. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're not already using PayLah and FavePay, I encourage you to give them a try. They're both great apps that can help you save money on your everyday purchases. Thanks for watching.